Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this episode, we'll explore all the details you need to know when making a case for product liability insurance in California. It seems that over the past 4 to 5 years, we have seen an incredible number of new products being brought to market from some of the brightest entrepreneurs this country has to offer. It seems like each day a new product is brought to market that a year ago wasn't even imagined. It does make one wonder what incredible new products we'll be able to enjoy and in some cases can't live without in the next 5 to 10 years. Whether your company is a retailer, distributor, or a manufacturer of baby and children's products, dietary products, cosmetic and beauty products, food and snack products, dog and cat treats or food, clothing manufacturer, craft beer, wine and liquor, consumer products, sporting goods manufacturer, bikes and tykes, or one of the many of unique products that come to market every day somewhere in the world, one action that every company must take is to acquire the proper amount of product liability insurance coverage. Regardless of whether your product is in the high-risk category or comes with a low-risk factor, acquiring product liability insurance in California should always be an integral part of your business plan. Over the past few years, many customers have asked whether they truly need product liability insurance. Often, they believe their product could never cause harm and can't imagine being sued. In today's environment, that assumption is risky. In the past few years, our agency has seen quite an uptick in policy writing new and renewal product liability insurance policies. Just when you think, what possible product is left to invent and bring to market that could bring value to people's everyday lives, along comes a new crop of the most unusual and ingenious products invented by some of the most talented entrepreneurs in the country. It makes you wonder what incredible products are yet to be invented. With all the advances regarding internet search engines these days, there has never been a better time to market a new product. Regardless of what stage your product is in, if a customer believes that the product they purchased from your company did them harm, they will file suit against all companies that, in even the smallest way, had anything to do with the product. Lawsuits can be extremely expensive. Attorney fees alone can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. The time required can also harm operations and in some cases threaten the business's survival. Acquiring a product liability insurance policy in California can be one of the wisest moves you can make for your company's long-term success. When discussing this particular type of legal concept, it is also known as the stream of commerce doctrine, and it governs product liability in most of the states. What this means is that any business that has some type of involvement in placing a product into the commercial stream may be held liable for a defect, therefore potentially exposing the company to the risk of having to pay damages for the defect in the product. If the claimant is successful, there could be punitive and compensatory damages, and also their attorney costs and any medical expenses they incurred may be included in the judgment or settlement. In general, these claims fall into 3 main categories: manufacturing and production flaws. These claims typically involve a product that becomes defective during manufacturing, making it unsafe to use. Design defects. When the discussion turns to this type of claim, most of the time it refers to how a product was designed in the first place. One example of this type of claim would be that of a car maker. Defective warnings and instructions. Look at any of the various products you have around your home, and now read the warnings that the manufacturer has placed on these products. In quite a few cases, you will ask yourself why on earth we would need this kind of warning. It's just common sense, and most people should know this. The reason they have these warnings is due to the various legal risks that could potentially happen from the customer who has purchased the product. With product liability claims on the rise, companies are now putting much more detailed warnings on their products to reduce the risk of a lawsuit. In most cases, businesses will take as much precaution as possible regarding their products, taking all the appropriate steps. But as we all know, things do happen from time to time. A consumer could be harmed by your product, and your business could be held liable, which is why it is very important for your company to have the proper product liability insurance coverage. With product liability insurance coverage, the insurance carrier has a duty to defend your business in the event of a covered claim, to cover the costs to investigate the claim, and pay out any settlement or judgment that may be made against your company up to the limits of the insured's policy. There are no standard rates for product liability insurance coverage, mainly due to the fact that all these products are manufactured in so many different forms. As you know, the lower the risk, the lower the premium, and the products that are deemed a high risk will carry a higher premium. If your business is developing a product, distributing a product, or simply selling a product, PJO Insurance Brokerage has various insurance carriers to suit your product liability needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, our expert brokers specialize in finding customized insurance solutions designed to secure your California business from every angle. Contact us today to explore your options and ensure you're fully protected. Call us at 949-236-0971 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PJO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to performing above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.